Bismillah, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Assalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah wa ala alihi washabihi ajmain. Amma ba'du. How are you everyone? Do you all know my name?
No. What is your name?
So my name is Kinan. Okay. My name is Kinan. I'm from 10 RPL. Today I will be the teacher for TOTD or Teacher of the Day. And today I will bring the material of hospital. Repeat after me. Hospital. What is hospital?
Rumah sakit.
Rumah sakit. Next, some vocabularies about professions. What is professions?
Profesi.
Okay. First, doctor.
Doctor.
Doctor. Doctor. Doctor. Nurse. Perawat. What is perawat?
Nurse.
Surgeon. Dokter bedah. What is dokter bedah? Specialist. What is specialist? Paramedic. Petugas medis darurat. Pharmacist. Apoteker. What is apoteker? Receptionist. Okay. Okay, next. Facilities. What is facilities? Okay. First, well, the hospital. Rumah sakit. What is rumah sakit? Clinic. Emergency room. Ruang gawat darurat. Operating room. Ruang operasi. Ward. Ruang rawat. What is ruang rawat? Waiting room. Ruang tunggu. What is ruang tunggu? Pharmacy. Apotek. What is apotek? Laboratory. Laboratorium. What is laboratorium? Okay, next. Next, medical equipment. What is medical equipment? Okay. First, stethoscope. 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 Syringe. 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 Jarum suntik. What is jarum suntik? Thermometer. Thermometer. Blood pressure cuff. Blood pressure cuff. Blood pressure cuff. Manset tekanan darah. What is manset tekanan darah? X-ray machine. X-ray machine. Mesin sinar X. What is mesin sinar X? Scalpel. 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 Pisau bedah. What is pisau bedah? Bandage. 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 Perban. What is perban?
Yo bandage. Yo bandage.
Next. Medical conditions.
Medical condition.
Medical conditions.
Medical condition.
What is medical conditions? Okay, the first, illness. Illness. What is illness? Illness. Injury. 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 Cedera. What is cedera? Allergy. 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 Allergi. What is allergy? Fever. 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 Demam. What is demam? Infection. 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 Infeksi. What is infeksi? Surgery. Surgery. Operasi. What is operasi? Prescription. 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 Resep obat. What is resep obat? Okay. Next. Medical processes. What is medical processes? First, diagnosis. 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 What is diagnosis? Treatment. 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 Pengobatan. What is pengobatan? Examination. Examination. Pemeriksaan. What is pemeriksaan? Recovery. Recovery. Pemulihan. What is pemulihan? Prescription. Prescription. Resep dokter. Or previously resep obat. Follow up appointment. Follow up appointment. Janji kontrol. What is janji kontrol? Okay. Next is conversations. Okay. Okay, I will need 2 people to come forward, 1 from each table. From this one. So, 1, 2, 3. Hijri. From this one. 1, 2, 3. Repeat. 1, 2, 3. Rifki. Do the first one.
Okay.
I'm neutral. Neutral.
Oh yeah.
Thank you. Good morning. How can I help you today? Hi. Oh.
I have an appointment with Dr. Smith at 10 a.m.
Great. Can I have your name and date of birth, please?
Now swap.
Swap.
Oh. Good morning. How can I help you today?
Hi. I have an appointment with Dr. Smith at 10 a.m.
Great. Can I have your name and date of birth, please?
Can you do the translation?
I first. Selamat pagi. Bisakah aku minta bantuanmu hari ini?
Halo, aku punya janji dengan Dr. Smith pada jam 10 pagi.
Menarik. Bolehkah aku minta namamu dan tanggal lahirmu?
Sit.
Oke. Oh, ini lah bro. Ganti kanan.
Okay. The second conversation from this table. Repeat. 1, 2, 3. Again. From this table. Repeat. Repeat. 1, 2, 3.
Neutral.
He's closer there. It's okay.
Okay. Hello. What brings you in today?
I've been having a persistent headaches and some dizziness.
I see. Let's start with a few questions and then we'll do some tests. Okay.
Hello. What brings you today?
I've been having a persistent headache and some dizziness.
I see. Let's start with a few questions and then we'll do some tests.
Okay. Can you do the translation?
Okay. Halo. Apa yang membuatmu kesini hari ini?
Aku memiliki sakit kepala dan pusing.
Oke, aku paham. Mari kita mulai dengan pertanyaan dan beberapa tes. Oke, bro. Thank you, bro.
Okay. Next, the third conversation from this table. 1, 2, 3. Okay, Adrian. From this table. 1, 2, 3.
Saya.
Nobody wanna go forward? Okay. The third one.
Good afternoon. I'm Dr. Johnson. I review your case and I recommend surgery to address the issue.
Surgery?
Is it necessary? Well, given the severity of the condition, it's the most effective option. Okay. Good afternoon. I'm Dr. Johnson. I've reviewed your case and I recommend surgery to address this issue. Surgery? Is it necessary? Given the severity of the condition, it's the most effective option. Translation. Selamat siang, aku Dr. Johnson. Aku telah mereview kasusmu dan aku merekomendasikan operasi untuk memperbaiki masalah ini. Operasi? Apakah ini perlu? Wah, karena kondisinya yang sangat parah, ini adalah opsi yang paling efektif. Swab ya? Or no? This one lah, kerupuk Under Armour. Thank you. Thank you, Kinan. Welcome.
Okay, the fourth conversation. We'll do it together. Nurse. Repeat after me, everyone. Nurse. Your test results came back. And the good news is that everything looks normal. That's a relief. What's the next step then? The doctor will discuss the results with you shortly. Okay, the fifth. Based on your diagnosis, I'm going to prescribe some medication. Are there any potential side effects? Are there any potential side effects I should be aware of? Yes. Yes. Let me explain how to take it and what to watch out for. The sixth conversation. Who wants to go forward? Okay, Fadil. From this table. 1, 2, 3.
Rajo.
Repeat. 1, 2, 3. Repeat. Okay, Raja, come on. The sixth one.
What? Say.
You one.
How long have you been waiting?
About 30 minutes. I hope they call my name soon.
Same here. The waiting room is always busy. Oh, chance.
How long have you been waiting?
About 30 minutes. I hope they call my name soon.
Same here. The waiting room is always busy. Busy. You're busy. Okay.
Do the translation.
Yo pernah apa? Yo orangnya. Ayo. Terus aja.
Sudah berapa lama kamu menunggu?
About tentang 30 menit. Yes. I don't know. Saya harap mereka memanggil namaku segera.
Sama di sini. Tempat menunggu selalu rame.
Okay.
Thank you, Mr. Kunar. Thank you.
Okay, maybe. Okay, maybe that's all for me today. Thank you very much for your attention. I apologize for any mistakes I made. Plus, I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.